Welcome back. I'm Steve Rand. This is Brian Conneely, and this is the Gold Spot. Brian, we've been hearing a lot of reports this week. A lot of big banks are coming out and saying that the Fed is going to lower interest rates by 175 basis points by next summer, which is an awful lot. We know that definitely is going to weaken the dollar, and it's going to be very good for gold. But there's not just that. There are so many things going on right now in the world. This war in the Middle East continues to heat up. More ships headed that direction. You've already got what's going on in Ukraine. We've got $1 trillion in interest being paid every year on the debt. We've got banks that are not being trusted as much as they used to be. Stock market volatility. We've got everything that you could really have as a recipe for what makes gold and silver go up. And a lot of people say, well, maybe I already missed it. What should you tell them right now?
Well, obviously we're living in unprecedented times. The reasons for owning gold have only grown over the last 20 or so years. I started investing in gold, physical gold, in 2004. And at that time I would talk about investments with my friends. And when I disclosed that I was going to buy physical gold at $480 an ounce, they thought I was nuts. They thought I had lost my mind, and they were concerned for me. In looking back over these 20 years, turned out to be a pretty good decision. That situation is no different today. We're at the top of the market, and most people would say, why would you buy here? Well, you buy here because it's headed to 5,000 or beyond. And so for that reason, this is an excellent time to be buying gold.
Yeah, I think the thing that people don't realize is that since the last year, just in the last year, we've seen a 29% increase in the price of gold. If you project that out and we were to go up 29% from where we are right now, we're talking about 3160 gold. And most people can't comprehend that. They just think that those numbers are too big. But the same people that thought that, $1,000 was huge and it would never get over the $2,000 mark, we're here. And I get calls constantly, and I'm sure you do too, from people that say, why didn't I do something when gold was lower? And right now, a lot of those same people are saying, you know what, I'm not going to do that again. The fundamentals have only gotten better, and I'm going to get in now before we're headed to that $3,000 mark, which could be any time, especially given what a volatile election year we're in right now.
Yeah, I think the wisdom is to not wait any longer.
Right.
If you're thinking that gold should be a part of your portfolio, it's time to make a decision, pull the trigger and get in.
Right. Remember that old saying, don't wait to buy gold and wait. We'll see you next time on the Gold Spot.
If you enjoyed today's Gold Spot, like or subscribe to both our YouTube or our Rumble channels. Also, comment below if you have any questions or if you want to hear us talk about something specific in a future video.